फिल्म क्रिटिकिंग की जर्नी में ये सीखा और आप भी ये जानेंगे कि क्या मूवी आप देखना चाहते थे उस उम्मीद पर जज करना वो मूवी जो इवेंचुअली देखी गलत है। I'm going to break this rule in this review just a little bit, but I'll explain also. तो सुनो एंड तक। Hey, welcome back. Today we're talking about Neeraj Pandey's film औरों में कहाँ दम था, starring Ajay Devgan and Tabu in the lead roles. It's now in movie theaters.
दुश्मन थे हम ही अपने, औरों में कहाँ दम था।
Ajay Devgan is an incarcerated man, Krishna, in prison for double murder. किसको मारा और क्यों ये mystery है, पर he is introduced as the most dangerous man in his barracks. As a पहलवान-looking fellow walks up to him, Khansamas in the mess are like, ये पहलवान तो गया आज murder होने वाला है. How someone who looks like Mr. Devgan will manage that, we don't know, but hopefully the film will explain. On the outside of this prison, Tabu hai Vasudha, Krishna's old love interest, who one guesses was involved somehow with his crime, against how the film promises to reveal. She's a very successful businesswoman who seemingly owns Fab India. The characters never really say the company's name, but she's shown taking meetings in a Fab India store, and when work calls, caller ID flashes Fab. जेल में ऑलमोस्ट 25 सालों के बाद कृष्णा अब छूटने वाला है. When Vasudha sees him, will old love come back to life? Why does Krishna not want to get out of his prison? Ajay Devgan and Tabu together on screen are genuinely breathtaking. Their chemistry is so palpable. The actors are naturally very relaxed in each other's presence. Their hearts beat in sync. Both their performances delightfully understated and nuanced. The leading pair are so extremely watchable. Their presence adds depth to characters that the script often lacks. Now, when you make two of the best actors there are in this country say dialogue like this,
पिछले 22 सालों में शायद ही कोई दिन होगा जब मैंने इस पल के बारे में सोचा ना हो।
और 22 सालों में शायद ही ऐसा हुआ होगा कि मैंने इस पल के अलावा कुछ और सोचा हो।
what chance do they have? औरों में कहाँ दम था straight up suffers सबसे पहले due to that clunky mouthful of a title. Then comes the outdated, hyper melodramatic treatment of the story by Neeraj Pandey himself. The underlay is underlaying. There is dhanan dhanan and symphonies and orchestras added in way too liberally, overshadowing any nuance the actors are trying to bring to the scenes. There's an entire song where the two leads, in younger versions, played by Sai Manjrekar and Shantanu Maheshwari, they simply stand on Marine Drive in South Bombay looking at each other and crying for the duration of the song. Yeah, an entire song. The effect is tedious, stretching the emotional bandwidth of the audience thin. Empathy evoke करने की जगह mostly it tests your patience, making a case for watching movies at home with a fast-forward option. The next stumbling block is the absurdity of what the film wants you to believe. That Shantanu Maheshwari in prison went from being a geeky computer tech to most feared assassin during one crew cut and flashback montage. It's giving girl takes off her glasses to become sexy. As a grandiose and misplaced soundtrack crescendos, while the screenplay remains stagnant, the film flip-flops between wanting to be all the genres all at once. A crime thriller sequence about a young girl who makes fake passports, another about a gangster who kept police waiting outside a temple in Bangkok, a comedy relief with a random white man announcing a promotion little too complexly are a few examples of how overstuffed with unnecessary sidebars this film unfortunately is. Now to come to my original point from the opening of this review, if this film had a slightly light-handed treatment, Celine Song's past life, Avinash Arun's Three of Us, toned down Romeo Juliet, जिनकी जिंदगी खत्म नहीं हो जाती अगर प्यार मुकम्मल नहीं होता, they just simply move on until an encounter brings back memories of a future that could have been with the two of them. And if two actors can break our hearts into a million pieces, it's Ajay and Tabu. A knowledge of how close their real life bond also is helps draw you into this illusion. Now this promise becomes very visible in one of the final sequences of the film when the actors are allowed to stand on the very same Marine Drive where they once cried, except अब आधी रात में ये सड़क खाली है शायद इनके दिलों की तरह. Yes, it's dramatic, but this one scene makes up for the severe lack of innovation in the rest of the film. The one Parsi man with the bakery whose main purpose is to say dhikra chokra, it's been a fixture in far too many Bollywood films now. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, औरों में कहाँ दम था is 10 points to you अगर बिना गूगल किए, कसम से बिना गूगल किए पूरा शेर और शायर का नाम कमेंट्स में लिख दो नीचे. जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को एंड शेयर दिस रिव्यू विद समवन जिसके साथ मूवी का प्लान कर रहे हो इस वीकेंड. आई विल शॉर्टली ऑल्सो बी टॉकिंग अबाउट उलझ. माय नेम इज सुचारिता. थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय.